Hey, we're going to be doing an oil change on a Massey Ferguson 1705. I wanted to take you guys along with the journey here so you can see what to do and how to do it if you got one of these. I haven't seen too many videos up about how to change the oil on these guys. Great tractor, going over 3 years now, not a single problem, runs great. Look at this oil out of here so I can show you guys how to do it. This is the oil pan. This is a 3/4 wrench. Just take that right off and the oil should come pouring right out. Might be hot, so watch yourself. Alright, screw your screw back in at the oil drains and tighten her up. Alright, next you're going to remove the oil filter. Now they don't have a drip pan for this, so yeah, it's going to drip all over your axle. See, it's running already. Alright, after your oil filter's off, just clean this up a bit. Get all the dirt off of it. I'm replacing this with a Napa oil filter. It's 1360 is the number. Get a little oil and put it around your rim here. Get it around there, that gasket, and screw it right on. You're only going to put this hand tight. Now here's where your oil goes in. This is your oil cap. This is a little rubber thing that just fits right in there. What I got this time was Quaker State. It's a 10W30. And they had a deal at Menards. So that's what we got. And this takes about 3 quarts. I think the manual might call for 2 3/4, but it usually takes 3 quarts. I use full synthetic too, but you don't have to. All right, after you got her filled up, you gotta put your cap back on. You're gonna check your dipstick, which I just wiped off. Dipstick's right here. As you can see, we're right at the full mark. I don't know if you can see that or not. So then you're going to start her up and check your oil fill line again and see if you got to add any. And so then there you have it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I'll try to answer the best of my ability, but that's how you change the oil on a GC1705 Massey Ferguson. Nothing complicated. Tune in for the next video. We're going to show you how to change the hydraulic fluid for the transmission and everything else, because it all shares on this tractor. All right, man, you guys take care.